ingredients na mangga kahon. Mangga stick para halo-halo. Sprinkler para tubig.
No, tagod.
Natay tabon para pantako.
And the tester today is perpetual.
Kanon para kanon. First step is sukuta, tagtakop na itong-itong into the kanang down.
Kay video.
Yung kalogo nila. Okay, and turn the dahon-dahon into pieces.
Why not?
After that, you replace that like you fucking bitch. After that, you put water on the luto the dahon. After that, we must utaw-utaw it. After that, we will put here in the baon. We will get the isda. After we get the isda, let's put it here. After we put the isda here, let's now eat.
Crazy nigga.